Welcome! Today is Christmas and I would like to show you my two Christmas plants. They are not as spectacular as their cousins at every store at this time of the year are, but they are my plants and they are growing at my place and I've had them for quite a long time and I am really fond of them. One of them is a Christmas cactus, Schlumbergera truncata, which is this one. I took it as a cutting from a huge plant that is covered in blooms right now, very spectacular. The plant grows at a museum where I am volunteering. It's a historical house, beautiful place with a beautiful cactus. I took a cutting of it about 2 years ago, probably 2 years ago. Last year it didn't have any flowers. This year it doesn't have any flowers, but it grew quite substantially from just maybe 2 or 3 segments to the size it is now. So I am happy with the growth and I'm still hoping it will bloom. If not this year, let's hope for next year. And I hope next year it will decide that it likes my place, that it will show me it likes me as much as I like it. The other plant is poinsettia, it's this one. This is a euphorbia, and this is sometimes called a star of Bethlehem. And this is, believe it or not, is the same plant as they sell in stores with huge leaves. And the top of the plants sold at the stores are either red or white or yellow or pink. There are many varieties. This plant is not as colorful as the other poinsettias that are sold in every possible store right now, but I've had this plant for quite a long time. This is its 4th season, which is an achievement because these plants are designed, when they are sold, they are designed to look pretty, but they are not necessarily healthy. And very often they die. This is what happened with a plant that I got at the same time I got this plant. I got a beautiful white variety, white with pure white with green veins. It was a beautiful plant. And then from one day to the other, it just lost its leaves and decided not to cooperate with me anymore. This one, however, survived its 3rd season already. The leaves it is growing are not as big as they were originally, but they appear every year and they do change color to red every year as well, which is an indication that the plant is happy, because the leaves are when they are changing colors, they are the leaves that are supposed to attract the pollinators of the tiny little flowers that are appearing in the center of the rosette the leaves are forming. Okay, so these leaves grow around flower buds right now. The flowers are not open yet. The flowers are very tiny. They are not spectacular at all. All euphorbias have tiny flowers, and euphorbias flowers do not have any petals or sepals. They just have leaves of different colors around the flowers to play the role of petals to attract the pollinators. Flowers do produce nectar though, so flowers are tasty to the insects or bugs or whatever creature is pollinating them. The other thing about the color of the leaves and the flowers that appear on this poinsettia is that the flowers appear only when the plant is kept at a place where the nights have a certain length of darkness without being interrupted. So it can't be, for example, kept in a living room where the lights are switched on and off quite often. When it is dark already, I keep it at a guest bedroom. So that's why the plant produced flower buds, and it's changing the color of its leaves. Well, I hope you like my two Christmas plants as much as I do. I like them a lot, even though they are not as spectacular as the plants that are available in the stores at this time of the year. Thank you for watching my video about them. I wish you all a very happy Christmas. I wish you all are able to forget, at least for a few days, about the craziness of this world, about the craziness around us, and let's hope for a better 2023. Have a Merry Christmas.